dear children. I welcome you in today's revision class of class 9, and we are going to revise the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. Extra question answers we are going to do, and it is from your book Beehive. Question number 1. What did Einstein's mother think him to be? Why? Einstein's mother thought him to be a freak or someone with an unusual physical abnormality or behavioral problem. She thought of him as a freak because his head seemed too large to her. This made him look different from the other children of his age. Question number 2. Einstein showed no early sign of his genius one day. Comment. As a child, Einstein had a large head and did not start to speak till he was 2.5 years old. Even when he did start speaking, he uttered everything twice. He did not interact well with other children and always played alone. All this showed the absence of genius. Question number 3. What did Einstein's playmates call him? Why? Here the spelling of him should be H-I-M, as you are already aware. Einstein's playmates called him Brother Boring, as he could not mix up with other children. Neither did he find their games interesting, nor did he know how to interact with other children. Also, he did not talk till he was 2.5 years old, and even then he repeated each word twice. This made his company boring to his playmates. Dear children, I am underlining the value points of that particular question. What is value point? Meaning it is not necessary that you should cram each and every word whatever I am going to describe you in this video. But yes, that if that question comes, so the underlined portion that is called the value point for that question need to be written. Otherwise the answer will not complete. Question number 4. What kind of toys attracted the attention of Einstein when he was a child? Why? As a child, Einstein was attracted only by mechanical toys. It showed his scientific temperament, since mechanical toys work on some kind of scientific principles. Question number 5. What did Einstein say about his newly born sister? Einstein always played alone with his mechanical toys. He did not have any playmates, as the other children found him boring. When his sister Maza was born, he looked at his newborn sister and asked, "Fine, where are her wheels?" Question 6. What did the headmaster think about Einstein? The headmaster did not think much of Einstein. He once told his father that whatever profession he chose for Einstein, he would never make a success in his life. He thought that Einstein was incapable of achieving anything in life. Profession Einstein would never make a success. These are the value points for this question. Question number 7. Which musical instrument did Einstein begin to learn? Why? Einstein began to learn playing the violin at the young age of 6 because his mother wanted him to. He kept this interest alive throughout his life and became a gifted amateur violinist. Next question. How did Einstein fare in high school? Although as a young child Einstein was very slow, still while studying in Munich, he showed great progress in almost all the subjects and scored very good marks in almost all the subjects. He had a special interest in maths and physics. Later on, he became a great scientist. Question number 9. Why did Albert Einstein leave school in Munich? Albert Einstein left his school in Munich because he was not happy with the education system and he felt stifled by the strict regimentation of the school. He felt the environment suppressed his inquisitive scientific mind and had frequent clashes with his teachers. He felt suffocated and had to leave school. Why did Einstein hate school? He hated school and the strict regimentation because of its extreme sense of discipline. He felt suffocated in this atmosphere. He often clashed with his teacher. Next question. After leaving his school in Munich, where did Einstein continue his education? Einstein shifted to German-speaking part of Switzerland to continue his education after leaving the school in Munich midway. This new place was more liberal than Munich, and Einstein's curious and free temperament got a favorable environment over there. Who was Malvia Mari? Where did Einstein meet her? Malvia Mari was a Siberian student who had come to Munich University to study because was one of the few universities in Europe where women could get degree. Einstein met at the university. He found her to be a clever girl. He also shared similar interest in art, literature, and music, and he developed a special interest in her. Later, they got married. Next question. Why did Albert Einstein see an alley in Malvia Mari? Einstein saw in Malvia Mari a few students at the Zurich University an alley against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university who did not like art, literature, or music, with whom he was constantly at odds. In addition, she was intelligent and he found her to be a clever creature. Next question. How was Einstein's private life unraveling after he finished his studies? Albert had wanted to marry Malvia right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Malvia, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Malvia's intelligence and found her to be a book. Einstein put the wedding off. Thank you, dear children.